All right, guys. The stock that I want to talk about, I've been eyeing for quite some time, is YYAI. I'm going to go over the chart and why do I like this stock. I'm going to go back to my roots and trade towards the close of the bell and trade downtrend stocks that have been just beat up. So let me go into the chart and tell you guys why I like this stock. YYAI, of course, I can't control when I alert it. Everyone just buys it on the ask. That's why you see these 1 minute candles. I highly suggest if you're watching this in my Discord, wait for price to revert back to some of these EMAs. That's going to give you a solid entry. I know a lot of you guys probably found this on your own, but this thing was just very beaten down. It is still down 8% on the day. It was down like 16% at one point. But as you can see, it has been in a nasty downtrend. And a lot of the times what happens is you get these post-reverse splits and they make insane moves. So we don't have a reverse split anymore. It's way above a dollar, so we know we're good on that. So what I would like to see is this form a daily hammer candle, and at the very least, we have plenty of room up to this EMA 5, which could be over 40% return just on this move here. So the last time I alerted this thing, it went from here all the way up to here, making up like a 200% return. I know there's a lot of eyes on this, and it could catch a lot of attention once the screeners start saying, oh crap, this thing could be an after-hour runner. So that's why I like going towards the end of the session, as a lot of these could be one of those things that do pump after hours, and there's less algos that tend to short it. If you look at the algos, guys, they tend to short it every time a penny stock opens up in the market. So if this decides to not really do anything, I can literally look to exit my position and just re-enter at a low of the day. But all my targets are going to be based on a daily channel and where we're looking for monster. Hey, do we have time distance from this EMA 5? Did we get rid of the reverse split? And we did. We have 5 days from this EMA 5, and we have lots of volume all throughout the day. And the next thing I see is a decline in sell volume. So that's a nice thing to see, is like we had all this sell and it's just kind of getting lower and lower. So I definitely see this could be a very good one. Here's your pullback to the EMAs of where you can get in. I always do a 15% stop loss. If you guys want to do that, that's highly recommended. But this one I definitely could see making a monster move up. We have no more bad news. We had ownership, ownership stake in this. We had a lot of big money coming into this. So, like I said, the last time this thing went up 200%, we still have not hit this EMA 10, which has been a total of from 1007 all the way to 1029. It has been, quite some time not hitting that. So you do the math, almost a month we're coming up into this EMA 10 not being hit. So hopefully we, start to build a base rate in here, and then we eventually will make this next high up in there, is what I'm thinking. But no matter what, the algos will take this to the daily EMA 5. No matter what this happens, right? No matter what, we can see a price coming back up to these EMAs, and that's where our targets will definitely be. So I try to give you guys a play that has lots of volume. This play obviously has lots of volume where everyone can eat. I don't want a play that has barely any volume and then we can't really eat. We know that something like this is going to catch a lot of eyes because people see this and they're like, holy crap, this is extremely oversold. Is this finally going to be the turn of events? So I could definitely see this coming all the way up into this EMA 10 and make it 200%. Now, don't count on my word on that. If it touches this 5, me and my Discord members should know that is our first profit-taking zone. This has quite some time not hitting it. Many post-RS splits, they tend to let these things go loose. I've seen reverse split runs, after they do a reverse split, tend to go up like 300, 400% moves. I've seen it happen many, many, many times. So this is the one I'm watching, guys. This is definitely the dip I would get in now as it's coming down to these EMAs. We'll see how it goes. I'm going to look to buy some more on this EMA 50 on the 1 minute. As always, don't get caught in this hype. Let this kind of come down a little bit, as I tell people, and then we get back in, because there's always going to be some sell pressure, people taking quick little profits. I don't believe in that. I think everyone should hold these overnight, and your big money is going to be coming into that EMA 5. All right, and if this decides just not to do much, I will reassess, and I'll let you guys know in the Discord what I decide to do. So this is the next play, guys. Let me know what you think about in the YouTube comments below. You're also more than welcome to join the Discord. I post my alerts to the Discord first. You can get the link to the Discord down below in YouTube comments below and in the description. It says join the premium Discord for my alerts. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. If you want to become a member, hit this how to subscribe and hit day trade alerts, and you'll get access to everything. Swing trades and day trades for an all-time low cost of $12 a month. I was going live day trading, killed the market today. It was an awesome day trading. Swing trading, I try to give you guys the best alerts. Not everything is going to win. All right. I do want to say, put a max 15% stop loss on all my plays. If it just does not decide to work, here is the max you're willing to lose, okay? Never get in, catch it at the top. When you see the bands right up in here, just way above it, just remember, it will come down to these EMAs. You'll never see a 1 minute just go straight skyrocketing forever. It will come back and revert to the mean, and here's your entry zone. And here's where all the new bulls can take it. This is basically like your bull flag pattern where we go down, come up, and then have this next leg higher, like something like that. So that's why I'm going to add some in here. Right there on that EMA 50, and I'll see what that does. Anyway, guys, definitely join the Discord. I think you guys like it. I try to be honest with you, give you guys real-time plays. Only $12 a month you can get these. And remember, everything will revert to the mean. It doesn't matter. All algos will come back to that reversion to mean. That's just how price action works. As long as there's good volume, I can see that happening. And this has no bad news left into it, okay? So this is my #1 stock that I think can make a monster move, okay? It is still at a massive discount. You guys are still in early. I hope you guys waited this out, and now we can take it to the next higher. All right, guys, let me know in the YouTube comments what you see. Share this out if you want to all over social media. You're more than welcome to do it, as this is my strategy that I developed. The last time I did this, I made a ton of money. I think everyone can do this strategy too. It's very nice. It's all about patience, right? We know where the algorithm is going to take things. This is the next thing that I think can go big. All right, guys, peace out. Happy trading. I'll see you in the next video. Definitely join the Discord. And I'll be also making a new video on my penny stock trading just for the Discord members so you can see what I'm looking for ahead of time. Peace out.